Good morning, everyone. I am just out here to get a before shot because we are getting an ADU built back here. So I've been trying to save whatever plants I can. Just to show you really quick, I had a boxwood back here in this corner that I dug up. I had a bougainvillea, a rose bush, daisy. Let's see, I had a lily I dug up for my mom right there. That was another bougainvillea, rose bush, some daisies, more lilies I dug up. Oh, my angelonia was right there. This rose bush does not do very well, so I just left it. I have a ton of bulbs I didn't even have time to dig up. And then I actually want to save this this rose bush, but it's just so, the roots are massive. I couldn't even dig around it. And then I've been trying to propagate for the last few months. None of them took. Someone on the crew is gonna take this avocado tree. They're just gonna, with their big machines, gonna dig that up and keep it. But I wanted to show you some of the places where I kept my plants. So there's the boxwood. I'm trying to see if I have anything else. Some daisies that I kept. There's another daisy right there. And then I have a bunch of stuff in pots. So the bulbs are in here. What else? I gave the bougainvillea to my sister. I have a rose bush here. Excuse the mess. I just don't have space for everything. Anyways, just wanted a quick before shot of what the yard looks like. And then I'm gonna try to get some shots of the work being done. I'm super excited, but it's been a stressful few weeks. We heard last minute that they were gonna get started on Monday, so it's been a mad dash to get everything dug up that I want to keep, and then also move things around so that they have space to go in and out. So anyways, that is the before. You can see they've been doing some digging to investigate pipes and stuff. Anyways, I'll turn the camera back on when the work starts. quick 2-week update, you guys. This is my progress report, if you will. You saw the work being completed via the time-lapsed, but I kind of just wanted to go through what did happen so you can see. The garden is gone. I used to have a dwarf avocado tree kind of in this area, potato tree, bunch of rose bushes, lily, hydrangea, all that. Tons of roses over here, some smaller plants. I moved some of it, so like I got a daisy over here. It's probably gonna make it. I got another daisy over here. A few got moved to the front, moved a hydrangea to the front. I moved a boxwood, but looks like they knocked it over. A while ago I moved this plumeria tree. Looks like it's doing fine, although kind of covered by these dead branches of this potato tree that got dug up. So tons of just debris everywhere for now. Let's see, concrete people were here. They're the one that dug all this stuff up. They blew out that back block wall, so now we've got this fence up as a temporary security thing so people can't come in and out. You see their equipment back there, more in the garage. Let's see, tons of trenches everywhere. That's plumbing people doing some work. So let me just show you. They've been here for a few days. Trenching everywhere. You can see all of that. A little bit more over here, and then it goes all the way to the street because we got a new separate water meter for this ADU. So meters already. Actually, let me just show you really quick. I'll just show you. I don't want to trip on anything, but so you can see it goes all the way to the street. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yep. All right. I've got a cat. Okay, so this is already plumbing that they're working on. Oh man. Okay. Whoops. Alright, let me show you. So we did pay extra to get copper in. So we're gonna get copper all around, and then we've got sewer lines and stuff. That black stuff, you can see it going up the wall right there. Some of this, that back there, oops, that back there, and then if you can see, let me zoom in. We've got some rebar down in preparation of pouring foundation as soon as this underground work is done. I think here's one more. So let me see if I can back up a little bit. So you can see they kind of framed out where the ADU is going to be built. Ground level is going to be the garage, and the living quarters will be right on top of that. So not much yard space left. You can see, let me back up. Most of it is going to be a building now. Yeah. So as soon as this plumbing or underground stuff is done, I think my contractor was saying they were going to run conduit while all the trenches are already dug. So after that, concrete's gonna get poured. Hopefully next week we can get started, and then we're gonna let it set for about a month before doing anything after that. So I will turn the camera back on once that starts. Actually, next week when they come back to finish plumbing, I'll turn the camera back on just for a little bit. They mostly will be outside or out of this frame shot. So yep, I will see you guys shortly.